Hi, in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First, we need to lock the screen on our phone, and you can do it by pressing the power button. Once you lock the screen, you will need to grab your phone and find the SIM card and SD card tray on it. On this device, it's located on the left side of the device at the top right here. Here we have the SIM card and SD card tray. To open this tray, you will need some kind of SIM eject tool. It usually comes with your phone. It looks something like this. You could also use some kind of pin that basically fits into this hole right here. And to open the tray, insert the pin and then push it in, and the tray should pop out. And once it does, you can simply take it out with your fingers slowly like this. And here we have the SIM card and SD card tray. To place the SIM card or SD card on this tray, simply take your nano-sized SIM card and place it on a tray like this. It only fits one way, so don't worry, you won't mistake it. Oh, be careful though, as you can see, because the cards are not really held well on this tray, so they tend to fall out. And to put the SD card, do the same. Take the micro SD and place it on a tray like this. Okay, once the cards are on the tray, you can insert the tray into the phone. To do it, I'm gonna pick up the phone and insert the tray. Oh, like that. Do it carefully because, like I said before, the cards tend to fall out, so make sure that they're in the slots. When you're inserting the tray, push it to the end like this, and now we can wake up the screen on our phone. And as you can see, the SD card is working because the phone detects it, my bad, and the SIM card is also working because we have the cell phone service right here. Okay, and that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.